Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fantastic accessory for anyone who owns the DJI Neo drone. A dedicated carrying case designed specifically for the Neo and its Fly More combo accessories. This isn't just any bag. It's a protective storage solution built to keep your valuable gear safe and organized. The case is crafted from a durable hard-shell material combined with nylon, providing robust protection. It's precisely molded, meaning every compartment is specifically shaped to fit the DJI Neo drone itself, along with a whole host of accessories. We're talking space for the drone, compatible RC, N3, or RC, N2 remote controllers, and impressively, room for up to 5 intelligent flight batteries. There's also dedicated spots for the charging hub, the 65W battery charger, filter sets, spare propellers, cables, and other smaller essentials you might need for a day of flying. The internal layout is described as reasonable and tailored, ensuring everything stays securely in place and doesn't rattle around during transport. This precise molding and hard-shell construction offer excellent protection against bumps, drops, and scratches, which is crucial when you're out in the field. Portability is a key feature here. The case is designed to be easy to carry, whether you're just moving it around or taking on a trip. It's compact enough to easily fit inside a larger backpack or travel bag. For standalone carrying, it comes equipped with a non-slip handle for quick grabs and retrieval, and it also includes a shoulder strap, giving you the option to sling it over your shoulder for hands-free transport. This makes it super convenient for various outdoor activities like hiking, camping, or heading out for a dedicated outdoor shooting session. You can essentially take your DJI Neo setup anywhere with confidence, knowing it's well protected and easily accessible. When you get this product, you receive the carrying case itself and a shoulder strap. It's important to note, as is standard with these types of cases, that the drone and any of the accessories like the batteries, controllers, or chargers are not included. You're just getting the protective case and the strap to carry it. Overall, it appears to be a well-thought-out and essential accessory for any DJI Neo owner looking for a secure and convenient way to transport their drone and all the necessary gear.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.